Hi guys, Robin here with WTI. I want to talk to you about this Panasonic toaster oven. When my husband first suggested getting this, I was very skeptical. I was like, why on earth do we need this over a regular toaster? But now I love it. It has so many different features, different presets, and is so easy to use. The toast setting automatically comes on for 2.5 and you can adjust it accordingly. And it toasts my bread perfectly every time, which I love. It also is great for other things. I've made quesadillas in there and it is so crispy. It is perfect. So much better than just a regular toaster oven. We have cooked all sorts of things in it, from pizza to chicken wings. It is fantastic. The bonus, it's super easy to clean. It has a removable crumb tray, which is very easy to access. And also I love the fact that there are no edges around the buttons. It is really smooth, so if it gets dirty, all you have to do is wipe it clean, which is a bonus because I hate cleaning and this makes it easier. That's just my point of view.